Hello everyone. Now, today I am giving you the hard words and word meaning from the chapter A Triumph of Surgery. Class 10 first chapter NCRT book. Okay, see here. The first one is energy. Energy means strength, takat, hugely, excessively, ahead, forward, pampered, shown excessive indulgence. A bit, a little, tottering means staggering, trouble, cause of worry, lumbago, backache, wrung, twisted, regime, rule pertaining to food, struggled, contended, strove, expected, awaited, besides, in addition to, panting, gasping, observation, perception, delay, loss of time, entire, whole, drive, road for carriages, wag, sake, triumph, victory, surged, crowded, surrounding, hereabouts, engulfed, encircled, slopped, spilled, rapid, swift, hovered, hungover, dozed, avoided, several, not many, few, sustain, maintain, compelled, force, chauffeur, driver, tremble, shook, flapping, waving, bound, slip, jump, skip, startled, amazed, leaned, bored. Now I am giving you important question from the first chapter NCRT book class 10 first chapter Triumph of Surgery. See here. Why is Mrs. Pumphrey worried about Tricky? Tricky is the name of a dog. Mrs. Pumphrey was deeply worried when Tricky turned listless. He had lost interest in appetite. His eyes were blood red, and this was the cause of worry for Mrs. Pumphrey. Now come to next question. What does she do to help him? Is she wise in this? Her worry for Tricky is of serious nature. She calls Dr. Harriet to take care of Tricky. Yes, her step was in the right direction. Who does I refer to in this story? The narrator James Harriet is I in this story. Who is referred to I? James Harriet, who is the narrator of this story. Is the narrator as rich as Tricky's mistress? He is a respectable gentleman, but not as rich as Tricky's mistress. How does he treat the dog? Mr. Harriet knew that over love of Tricky was responsible for the situation. He takes Tricky to the surgery and allows him to live in the natural environment. He lets him run, jump, and be crushed by other dogs, and this cured Tricky. Why is he tempted to keep Tricky on as a permanent guest? Mrs. Pumphrey was a very rich mistress. She sent all delicious such as eggs for breakfast. Wine and brand were also sent. Such a treat was great temptation for Mr. Harriet. Why does Mrs. Pumphrey think the dog's recovery is a triumph of surgery? Tricky was listless when Mr. Harriet met him. After being kept at the surgery, he had been transformed into a little hard-muscled animal. Mrs. Pumphrey called it is a triumph of surgery. Now come to next question. What kind of a person do you think the narrator, a veterinary surgeon, is? Would you say he is tactful as well as full of common sense? क्या आपको लगता है उनके पास कॉमन सेंस था, वो अच्छे डॉक्टर थे? Dr. Harriet was a veterinary surgeon. He had a deep regard for Mrs. Pumphrey and concern for Tricky. He was worried for health of Tricky. Harriet took great care of Tricky at the surgery. He felt happy on watching Tricky improve. He is a person with human quality of being tactful and full of common sense. It is his tact which makes Mrs. Pumphrey agree to send Tricky to the surgery. At the surgery, it is the triumph of Mr. Harriot which is mainly earned through his common sense. Now come to next question. Do you think Tricky was happy to go home? What do you think will happen now? क्या होता है हम लोग देखते हैं. क्वेश्चन क्या पूछ रहा है? डू यू थिंक ट्रिकी वॉज हैप्पी टू गो होम? क्या आपको लगता है कि ट्रिकी है सो बहुत खुश था घर जाने के लिए? व्हाट डू यू थिंक विल हैपन नाउ? बिफोर गोइंग टू द सर्जरी, Tricky had turned lethargic. Now he had been transformed into a hard muscle creature. He had learned the way of the world. He would be very happy on reaching home. Now he will not feel very much happy with Mrs. Pumphrey's pampering. He will the seen running in the garden after the cats and dog. वो बता रहा है कि पहले तो ट्रिकी बहुत लेथार्जिक था, लेज़ी था, लेकिन मिस्टर हैरियट के पास से आने के बाद वो एक एक्टिव और बहुत अच्छा डॉगी हो जाता है. वो खेलता है, कूदता है सबके साथ, अच्छे से मज़े में रहता है, फुर्तीला हो जाता है. डू यू थिंक दिस इज़ अ रियल लाइफ एपिसोड और मेयर फिक्सन और इट इज़ अ मिक्सचर ऑफ बोथ? यस, यहाँ क्वेश्चन पूछ रहा है आपको क्या लगता है ये रियल लाइफ एपिसोड है और ये मिक्सचर है दोनों का, और इट इज़ द मिक्सचर ऑफ बोथ? Yes, the story Triumph of Surgery is more near to real 7 life episode than to be a mere fiction. It is a very common to find such snobbish ladies like Mrs. Pumphrey in the elite society. In the upper class society, pets are pampered more than children. Divorces and broken marriages are real cause for such a situation. यहाँ बता रहा है कि हाँ ये एक मिक्सचर है, रियल लाइफ में भी कहीं कहीं होता है. जो अपर क्लास पीपल होते हैं उसमें बहुत लेजीनेस होने के वजह से हमारे देश में डाइवोर्स और ब्रोकन मैरिज का एक सिचुएशन देखा जाता है आज के ज़माने में. वही बता रहा है यहाँ पे इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर में. This episode described the silly behavior of a rich woman who is foolishly indulgent, perhaps because she is lonely. Do you think such people are merely silly or can their action cause harm to others? यहाँ क्वेश्चन पूछ रहा है कि ये जो मिसेस पम्फ्रे थी वो एक सिली थी थोड़ा सा, कि ऐसा यदि लेडीज़ रहती सोसाइटी में तो शायद दूसरे को भी हार्म होता है. वही यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन पूछ रहा है. चलिए हम लोग आंसर में देखते हैं क्या है. Mrs. Pumphrey was quite a rich lady. She had a small pet dog and named it Tricky. And this episode described the behavior of a rich woman who indulges in foolish behavior. Here is saying that the behavior of this lady is really foolish. It is her intelligence which makes her dip such a delicacies as cushion, toy, rubber, rings, breakfast and all stuff. When Tricky is sent to the surgery, the delicious are sent to the hospital. The tears in her eyes at Tricky's departure are real. Every day she makes a phone call at the surgery. The worry and concern shown by her are merely silly. She is just busy in her own world and would not cause harm to others. It is her over concern which makes her center of attention. She is just a rich lady with folly ideas. folly ideas मीन पागलपन, मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा ओवर केयरिंग की वजह से वो डॉगी को पूरा इल कर दी थी, सिक कर दी थी. बहुत ज़्यादा ओवर नर्सिंग का वो शिकार हो गया था वो डॉगी. वही यहाँ पे बता रहा है सिली बिहेवियर के वजह से. नाउ कम टू नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. डू यू थिंक देयर आर ऑल्सो पेरेंट्स लाइक मिसेस हम्फ्रे? क्या आपको लगता है कि वैसा पेरेंट्स भी होते हैं मिसेस हम्फ्रे की तरह? मिसेस पम्फ्रे is a symbol of too much pampering. Her pampering is due to the love and affection towards Tricky, but excess of everything is bad for both human as well as for animals. किसी भी चीज़ का बहुत ज़्यादा होना वो सबके लिए हानिकारक होता है. यदि बहुत ज़्यादा किसी के प्रति केयर है, किसी के प्रति बहुत ज़्यादा लव है, अफेक्शन है, तो वो एक हार्मफुल होता है. वही कंडीशन यहाँ पे बता रहा है. Parents like Mrs. Pumphrey are very common to find. Such parents give over love to their children. They turn their children into spoil sports. The excess love makes them TV addicts and enjoy fast food. Parents think that by pampering them, they are being too good to them, but such parents forget that too much pampering will not prepare them for tomorrow's world. So it is very common to find parents like मिसेस पम्फ्रे. वो बता रहा है इस स्टोरी में हम लोग को देखने को मिल रहा है कि हाँ, आज के ज़माने में ऐसे पेरेंट्स हम लोग को देखने को मिलते हैं जो बहुत ओवर केयर करते हैं अपने बच्चे को, ओवर डाइट देते हैं, ओवर टॉयज़ दे देते हैं, ओवर टीवी एडिक्शन बना देते हैं, जिसके वजह से बच्चे को बहुत हार्मफुल होता है. इन फ्यूचर वो लोग कहीं टैकल नहीं कर पाते हैं. बस वही है ये. हम लोग का सोचिए तो ये स्टोरी हम लोग का रियल लाइफ सिचुएशन से रिलेटेड ही है. If I had been member of Mrs. Pumphrey's household, I would have felt very happy. Things would have been very royal at times, as her only concern would have been tricky, so they could have enjoyed royal treat. What would you have done if you were in the narrator's place? The question is asking that if you are in place of narrator, what would you do? Yes, and not. I'm going to read the answer. If had been in place of narrator, I would have also shown deep concern for Tricky. The narrator does the best he could do for his profession. If he had directly asked Mrs. Pumphrey to be harsh, things would have been different. Mrs. Pumphrey was not ready to accept that it anyway, and she was over pampering him. I would have followed the narrator's footstep. I would have taken Tricky to some open place in countryside and made him run. His companies there would be his companies there would have been strong village boys. Once he developed liking for the open space, thing would be better. In fact, the narrator fittest ones when we are made ready to face the challenges of life. Success lies ahead, so the narrator's skill and devotion has no doubt. Okay, thank you everyone.